So here we are then. It's been a minute, it's been a hot minute. I've not made a video for a long time. But I'm back now, and today, Louise and I are getting on the motorbike, heading down to Richmond, and just gonna have a nice day. It's very sunny out, so should be a nice ride down there. Are you looking forward to it, Lily Bell?
See.
Basically, the reason I haven't made a video in a long time is because laptop packed up and YouTube changed the way that you can edit videos and stuff like that. I just didn't get round to it, but no big reason. And yeah, that's it. Let's get on with the day. So here we are, made it to Richmond in one piece. How was that ride down for you?
Oh, it was nice. It was really good.
Cool. I passed my motorbike test in September, but then the weather hasn't been great. Obviously it's winter and whatnot, quite cold on the bike, but beautiful sunny day today, so that's smashing. We're hoping to go on like a bigger ride in the summer or something, maybe to Amsterdam. You can get the ferry over and ride the rest of it, so that'd be nice. So what are we going to do in Richmond today, Lula?
We're going to get some lunch because we haven't had breakfast.
Yeah.
So, super hungry.
There's a whacking great herd of deer over. Do deers come in herds?
Yes.
There's a whacking great herd of deers over here. I'm going to try and get a little bit closer and film them. I don't want to scare them.
With everyone else in Richmond.
I don't want to scare them and make them bolt. You can get so close to the deer and they don't bat an eyelid, they just stand there looking at you. What do you reckon there was, 50 there?
Yeah, maybe.
All different colours, like white ones right through to black and everything in between.
And there's signs up saying they're going to do the deer cull.
Yeah, there's a deer cull on soon, so that's nice. So where are we, Lilibel?
Gourmet Burger Kitchen. We used to come here all the time when we were first going out.
Finished our grub, having a walk along the river now. I'm feeling a bit rubbish because our friend Joe came round last night. We drank a bottle of gin between us, and so I'm a bit hungover. But the sun's helping. Back in London now. Got a lift with my mum and dad because they were driving in anyway. I went to Robin's last night on the train, had a few beers, went and visited Ellie and Kit, had a few beers. Robin cooked us bangers and mash, so thanks for that, Robin. My dad's calling me a wanker in the background, that's nice, isn't it? Fucking taking him out for breakfast now, that's what treatment I get. What are you going to have for brekkie, Mo?
Cheese on toast.
Okay, alright. Mum, what are you thinking of your breakfast so far?
Thinking that is well posh.
What do you think of your brekkie, Dad? Just on my way to the pub to meet Pillnahn. I'm going to have a Sunday roast maybe, beer or two, and just a little catch up. Alright fella, how's it going, mate? Yeah, harder. See you later. Cheerio. See you later.